Welcome back to Great White North Corvette. I just received window louver for the back of the C8 Corvette to make it look like the Corvette ZR1 from BILLFARO. You can get all these products on Amazon. BILLFARO make a few different items. It's well packaged. Comes with the two-sided tape. This is a carbon fiber one. The carbon fiber look to it. Looks good, nice pattern. You can also get it in black, gloss black. This is what it looks like. It's got the two-sided tape already put on it, and they give you some extra. Remove the back sticker decal here. Vinyl's peeling off nice. It's sad to see it go. I've had it on there for 3 years now, and it's time for a change. All right, comes off pretty easy. Just cleaning up the surface with the alcohol. There's a little bit of sticker residue from the vinyl sticker. Okay, here it is. The split window from BILLFARO. You can get it on Amazon, and you'll also see the link below. It's $2.99 Canadian. So we're gonna finish wet sanding this, and we're gonna be painting it Accelerate yellow, so it matches the car. I think that will give it a better look than the carbon fiber look. With this modification, you do not need any tools. It's all two-sided tape, and then press on. And it will hold down on your back window. Just like that. So you line up the front and the back, and then press it down. Okay, we're back with the new piece. It's all painted up, Accelerate yellow, a paint that I got on Amazon, and it matched up pretty close. It might be just a tad lighter, but it is very, very close. So we're gonna install it today. I'm just gonna see how it looks without taking the tape off. That's how it looks. Now we'll install it, see how the tape works on it. Pull all the tape off. This stuff can be tricky coming off sometimes. Well, the longest part of the install here is getting this tape off. So I'm removing the last piece of tape. Now we just have to line it up. So now it's just lining it up. Start with the top, right there, and go to the bottom. We'll just set it down lightly. You just try to get it even on both sides. Just check the top. Looks all good. And you just press it down. It just sets down there nice. It's all pressed down. I'll let it sit on here for an hour, and I'll come back out and just give it a pull test, see what kind of strength this tape has. So I won't be driving around and having it flying off. And there it is, all installed. How's it look? The paint matched up pretty good, really close. It even has the fleck, if you can see in the sun too. Matches up.
Kind of hard to get the flake to come through, even on the normal car. You can't really see it right now in this lighting. Looks good.
And if you like this piece, you can get it on Amazon at BILLFARO. It's a great piece, $2.99, not expensive. And you can color match it yourself if you choose to.
So yeah, it comes naturally, it comes in the carbon fiber finish, but we decided to do yellow. But if you want carbon fiber, then you can just put it straight on your car out of the package. We'll have the link down in the description below if you're interested, and you can also get it on Amazon, like we said, at BILLFARO. We'll have the link in the description, and we'll throw it up on screen right now.
What do you think of it, Logan? How does it match up?
Yeah, I think the color matches well, and I like the
You
look
like
of
the
it.
look?
Yep.
It looks like the ZR1 back window. We'll have more products coming for review in the future, so please subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time on the Great White North Corvette.